and welcome to the French Riviera for the coverage of the 79th Cannes Film Festival that's happening here. Well, it's a nice and bright and sunny day here, and let me tell you, it's very pleasant inside as well watching all those movies. Now, most of the films screened here at the Cannes Film Festival are world premieres. That means nobody has seen them before, and pretty much the whole world is watching them for the very first time. But they also have a Cannes Classic section where they show restored films. And the only Indian feature film at the Cannes Film Festival this year is a restored film, and it's by the Malayalam director, the well-known Malayalam director, John Abraham. And his film Amma Ariyan was shown at the festival yesterday. Now, Amma Ariyan was restored by the Film Heritage Foundation, which is making its presence felt at the Cannes Film Festival for the 5th time in a year. Well, Shivendra Singh, Dungarpur and his team are doing some fantastic work, and this film was pretty much lost, and it was a tough task to put it together.
Today, actually, this film is really important for me because this was the film, one of the few films which Bina and I want to remember him, the founder of the National Film Archive, and someone who played a key role in my life for having saved this film, shown this film. And in fact, John was absolutely one of the most important figures when I joined the film school. And that's why I think Bina is my senior. There are many people from FTI who's there. So today we are really pleased that we could bring back this wonderful film. What you're going to discover is something which you've never seen, a film like this. And it's going to blow your mind, and absolutely blow your mind. It blew my mind when I saw it for the first time, when I was just a young student, trying to figure out what cinema was. And this made me more complexed, and wanted me to be a filmmaker, get down to the street, and be part of a movement. And it didn't matter where you wanted to start, but you wanted to question. You wanted to rise up to every occasion. And John does that to you. He just brings that level of you. So I'm so
you're a good press agent.
Yeah, thank you. I've learned it all from you.
But did you see the movie since then?
Sorry?
Did you see the movie since you were a student?
Yes, I when
because sometimes the memory of when we were young.
Yeah, no, this was when I'd never seen a film like this, and Konkani showed us this film.
We understand.
So thank you very much, and I think Bina, why don't you say?
Hello everyone, thank you all for being here. Thank you Cannes Film Festival, Gerald, all of you for so warmly receiving and reviving this film. What I would like to say is, let's raise a glass to John. I think that is what he would have liked the most. A glass raised to a most amazing person. Unfortunately, he's not here with us. He was a maverick genius, difficult to work with, crazy, but he produced the most interesting cinema. He loved life, he loved cinema, and he loved the people. He really believed it was for people that he made films, and this film is a real witness to that. I also like to acknowledge my husband, Venu, who has most amazingly shot this film. Unfortunately, he's not here with us, but a very important part of this whole process that we went through. The Odessa Collective, I think today, terms like crowdfunding, very common, but Odessa wasn't crowdfunding. Odessa was something deeply organic. They wanted people to contribute to the making of the film, the process of the film, the distribution of the film. So though this film was never released, it has been seen widely. It's a cult film. And of course, Shivi, thank you so much. You know, we all make films, But we need people like Shivi to be the champions for our film. So thank you so much for this. And thank you all. And I hope, as I've been saying to everybody, disclaimer, it's a 40-year-old film. I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Merci beaucoup. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. It's a great honor to me standing in middle of you after 40 years. What Bina said was true. In the absence of John, I do salute from my heart to John. And Bina said it was very difficult to work with John, but for me, it was very enjoying. Because John was a kind of genius with all the problems, visions, and creativity. The film made in '86, the story depends on the Naxalite movement, the success and the failure and the conflict of that movement in Kerala. And most of the actors are not actors, even me also. This is my first film. They are all gathered as a group and collected money from the common people from 2 rupees to 10 rupees to 50 rupees and made the film possible. Velu and Bina was always with us with camera and editing crew. And most of the people in the screen are not with us now. A few people are living, but these all people in the screen are historical legends now. Because after 40 years, she has restored the film in a very good way. That's why it's now possible to watch the film here now. So, thank you very much, Sivendra Singh, and thank you very much all. Please watch the film. Okay.
I just want to thank my friend Davide Pozzi for this remarkable restoration, his entire team, Elena, Katrina,
David Epos, Elena Tamacaro, qui sont les patrons de l'Imaginé Rétrovata. Alors l'Imaginé, oui, c'est ça. Oui. Bon. À Bologne, voilà.
And Thiru and Digital Archive Company in India who worked on the digital restoration. Thank you so much for making this really remarkable restoration. Thank you very much.
Merci, un grand applaudissement pour toute l'équipe.
Well, along with the glitz and glamour and of course all the movies that are being screened here, there are a lot of interesting things that are happening at the French Riviera, including this.